To travel is to live. Hans Christian Andersen. This tiny island nation in the North Atlantic may be the true most magical place on Earth. With magical lights dancing in the night sky. This is Iceland. When you take the road less traveled and take that extra step, you may be rewarded with diamonds. Sjórin, the sea. Nearly 3,000 miles of coastline. This was the highway of Iceland's Viking ancestors. The sea has been the lifeblood of the island for thousands of years. Vatnajökull, the largest glacier in Europe. Covers 10% of all of Iceland. Ísgöngin, the ice cave. The dirty volcanic ash covering the glacier on the outside turns into a dazzling, sparkling, 1,000 shades of blue ice on the inside. This island is a frozen fairy tale, formed by volcanoes and born of the Viking longboats. The world may be your oyster, but Iceland is the pearl.